Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll explain to you what is magnetism, how do magnets work, what are magnetic fields, and we'll even show you some fun science experiments related to magnetism that you can try at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Most magnets are made of iron, nickel, or cobalt. These materials are called ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic materials have unpaired electrons. The spins of these electrons act like tiny magnets, and they have a magnetic field. Diamagnetic materials are repelled by a magnetic field. A common example is lead. If you have a pair of strong magnets and a piece of thin metal, you can actually find where the metal is hiding by putting the magnet near it. They're even used in mysteries to produce the magnetic field that makes the images. Get yourself to bar magnets and you'll need some paper clips or some other small ferromagnetic object like a paper clip. Then attach a battery and some electrical leads to the nail. Pass a current through the wire and you'll make an electromagnet. You can actually use this electromagnet to magnetize another piece of iron. If you run the electromagnet along a piece of iron, the iron will become magnetized, and you can use it as a magnet after the electric current stops flowing. Hold one magnet in your hand and drag it across some paper. We'd like to thank all of our supporters for making these videos possible. If you would like to support us, please go to our support page. Also, don't forget to connect with us on social media. The paper doesn't have any magnetic field, so it's not attracted to the magnet. As always, it's been my pleasure, my channel. But the tiny bits of iron oxide in the paper are magnetic and will stick to the magnet. You can even make cool patterns by moving the magnet slowly across the page. The magnetic field of the magnet will go through the metal and then pop back out on the other side. So if you have a magnet and you know there's metal around, even if you can't see it, you can find it with the magnet. You can actually use this property of magnetism to levitate a diamagnetic material. If you place a strong magnet under a diamagnetic superconductor like lead, the magnet will actually push away the lead. It takes quite a strong magnet to do this though. When we put these materials near each other, their fields align and make a larger field. This is how a permanent magnet is made. First of all, what is magnetism? Examples of paramagnetic materials are aluminum, calcium, and sodium. Magnetism is a force of nature that is mediated by magnetic fields. Magnetic fields are invisible lines of force surrounding a magnet. Magnetic fields have a north-seeking pole called the North Pole and a south-seeking pole called the South Pole. These invisible lines of force are always going from the North Pole to the South Pole inside the magnet. Here, these lines of force are so close together they look like a solid blue line. But outside the magnet, the lines of force spread apart and become invisible to us. What are magnets? Are objects that produce magnetic fields. These magnetic fields can be produced by moving electric charges. There are also paramagnetic materials. Paramagnetic materials have paired electrons, but when put in an external magnetic field, they still become magnetized. You may also hear the term diamagnetic. Another interesting fact about magnetic fields is that they can be used to identify the hidden objects. Magnets are used for a lot of different things. They're used in compasses, electric motors, generators, and in nuclear fusion magnets. Now, let's do some fun science experiments with magnets. Another fun experiment you can do is to try to make a new permanent magnet. Take some wire and wrap it around a nail. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Next, check out this video over here for more fun science experiments or click this other video over here.